Hi, in this video we are going to have a look at the mean and the range of data. So, mean is a type of average. Often if you hear people saying what's the average number of children in a family, what they actually mean is the mean. In Functional Skills Level 2 or GCSE, you'll learn about another couple of different types, but for now, we will look at the mean. So to work it out, you add up all of the values and divide by the number of values that you have. So if we're to look again at the weather, we're going to try and work out the mean temperature over the next 5 days. So you can see I'm using the maximum temperature for this. So we've got 24 degrees, 26 degrees, 19 degrees, 15 degrees and 17 degrees. So I'm going to add all of those up, which gives me 101, and then divide by 5 because that is the number of days, and that gives me 20.2 degrees. And always just have a think, does my answer seem sensible? And yes, it does, because it's right kind of in the middle of all of those numbers. So next we're going to look at range, and this tells us about the spread of the data, how varied it is or how consistent. To work it out, you find the largest and the smallest values and you subtract the smallest from the largest to work out the difference between them. So we're going to have a look at the range in temperature, again the ones in bold, over the next 5 days. So we find the highest one, which is 26 degrees, and we find the lowest one, which is 15 degrees, quite a drop there, and we work out the difference between them. So we do 26, take away 15, which gives us 11 degrees. So that's the range. So the range tells us about the spread of the data. If the range is small, it means the data is more consistent or less varied. So if our range in the previous example had only been 3 degrees, the temperature would be more consistent. However, if it's large, like ours is, it means the data is less consistent or more varied. And you can see that as the range increases, the consistency decreases. So the higher the range, the less consistent the data is.